Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to EngLing lesson 54 on the past participle. Here we go. All right, have a look at these verbs here. I hope you'll notice that there's something special about these verbs, and that is that they are all irregular. And what that means is that you cannot add ed to the end of the verb to change it to the past. You just have to remember the special past form. So, what is the past form? Eat, ate, fall, fell, and so on. And on this side, drive, drove, ride, rode, and so on. You've already learned those. I hope you remember them all. Now, these verbs are kind of super special because often in English, in fact, usually in English, the past form and the PP or past participle form are the same, but these ones are different and they're very common, so that's why we need to learn them. All right, so eat, ate, the past participle third form is eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Get, got, gotten. Give, gave, given. See, saw, seen. Take, took, taken. Go, went, and gone. Okay, so for these verbs, you've got to remember all three forms. Same thing on this side. Drive, drove, driven. Ride, rode, ridden. Write, wrote, written. Grow, grew, grown. Fly, flew, flown. Drink, drank, drunk. Swim, swam, swum. Be, was or were, and been. Whew, okay. So we'll put those off to the side now. The PPs are on the left, and now we're going to make sentences that explain why we would use the PP. Okay, with the PP we always use a form of have or has, and so what we have to do here is make a sentence. For example, I have plus PP. Have a look at the picture. I see a horse. What do people do with horses? Well, we ride the horse. And where is our PP for ride? Ride, rode, ridden. So here we write, I have ridden a horse. And what does that sentence mean? Well, it means that that is in my experience. So even if I've only done that once in my life, I've only ridden a horse once in my life, I can still say, I have ridden a horse. And there's the sentence right there. Next, I see a helicopter. What can we do inside a helicopter? Well, we can fly. And we've got our past participle of fly right here, flown. Fly, flew, flown. And so we can write here, I have flown in a helicopter. Or we could say she has flown in a helicopter. Once again, even if it's true only once in your whole life, before now, you would say this. This is my experience. One more example, here is sushi. What do we do with sushi? Of course, we eat sushi. Eat, ate, eaten. All right, so I have eaten sushi, or he has eaten sushi. Okay, now this is a good conversation starter in English, asking the questions about experiences. Sometimes it's a good chance to talk about unusual or surprising things that you have done that other people have not done. So here is a sentence form. Have you ever plus PP. Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Has she ever pee-peed? Yes, she has, or no, she hasn't. Let's try a couple of examples. First, has she ever been to Paris? We don't usually say gone in this case. Been is much better. Has she ever been to Paris? Yes, she has, or no, she hasn't. Last example, have they ever gone skydiving? Yes, they have, or no, they haven't. Okay, you'll have the chance to practice that lots and lots. That is your lesson for today. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.